Okay, now it's time to georeference the UTM, but I think we need a separate maps. So let's create a new map and we call it Georeferencing Raster. So I will copy the text here, rename, right click, copy, and here rename, paste, raster, and we change to UTM 47 and UTM 47 and go. Now let's remove this first and let's change the coordinate system to UTM. There, the UTM zone. Okay, now let's load our UTM grid here and release. Yes. Zoom to layer, and now let's put the sign here, imagery, georeference, control point table, and add control point. And there is one, and click. Okay, click, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, right click, and we put minus x here, minus 100,000, 1, 2, 3, and tap, and the y is 500, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is one. Zoom to layer. That is good. This is the second intersection. We put it here. The second intersection. The x will be 850,000, 1, 2, 3, and the y is 100,000, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Zoom to layer. Yeah, in these two register point, we can check with the vector, because in our experience earlier we can check if it is fit with the precise shapefile or not, and add to current point, and there. Let's put it to no color, and the outline will be red, and apply. Yep, it is working. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I think we will need the third point here. Okay, again, right click. This is minus, the x is minus 150,000, 1, 2, 3, and the y is 100,000, 1, 2, 3, and okay. So it's good. It fits perfectly. Don't forget to save, and save as new one. But before that, as usual, I will copy the text first. copy and save as new. And paste. Teeth. And save. And we already have the coordinate system here, UTM, and that's okay. And change the output format to T and run. And there, okay, right. So let's uncheck the JPEG first. That's beautiful. This is the teeth, because the JPEG we hide it. Okay, remove the JPEG. And save the project. Yep. I think that's all for registering for and georeference raster into georeference rasters. Okay, and thank you.